wake up most days with a weight on my chest. Sun ain't even up, but I ain't getting rest. Work boots by the door, back's already sore. Dreams on hold while I'm digging some more. She says I need help, says I got rage, but who else gonna stand while the world throws flames? I ain't proud of every word I've said, but I ain't the only ghost sleeping in this bed. I'm walking through the fire, burning slow, holding it in so she don't know. Trying to be the man I never saw, keeping it steady even when I fall. Don't call it strength, don't call it grace. It's just a man trying to hold his place. She's got her demons, I got mine. I hold hers too when they cross that line. Sometimes I feel like I'm losing ground, talking but no one hears the sound. Rents behind, trucks running rough, living off coffee, prayers and guts. I don't want medals, I don't need cheers, I just want peace that don't disappear. Still walking through the fire night and day, hiding the hurt so she don't walk away. Still got dreams buried under this fight of a lake, some land and sleeping right. Ain't looking for perfect, just some truth and a break from the weight I didn't choose. Got a dog that don't leave my side, dad on the phone saying you'll be alright. Friends now that feel like kin, but I still feel alone deep within. So if I seem quiet or cold or gone, I'm still here, I'm just holding on. Through all the noise, the guilt, the fire, still walking, still tired, but I ain't a liar. I'm just a man trying to carry the wire.